Hello, good afternoon guys. Welcome to MK Community Broker. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Kings County Juror Qualification Questionnaire. So, this paper, as you see on the screen, is basically used for those people that, like let's say, they're able to find out from either from the Department of Motor Vehicle, from road registration card. So basically, you randomly get selected to fill out a juror questionnaire form. So basically, this is how they determine if you are eligible for jury duty or not. Not every person is going to be eligible for jury duty. The first thing first, you're going to write your name, your address, your city, apartment, zip, phone and email, and your date of birth. And there's some questions that they follow. Can you understand and communicate English? Yes or no. Are you a citizen of the United States? Yes or no. Are you a resident of Kings County? Yes or no. Are you at least 18 years of age? Yes or no. Have you ever been convicted of a felony? Yes or no. Have you ever served as a juror in a court in New York State or federal court in the last 6 years? Yes or no. False statements are punishable as a crime under the penal law section 210-45. You sign and you write down the date, the month, and the year. Now, basically, these questions will determine. So, let's say, for example, if you're, let's say, a green card holder, you're not a United States citizen. So the first thing is you have to be a U.S. citizen in order to basically serve jury duty. So let's say if you are a green card holder or you're on a work employment or for student visa, whatever the case is, you're not gonna be able to do jury duty because you're not really eligible for that. So you could either fill it out and let them know, or you could call them and listen, I have a visa and this and stuff like that. Then, if you're obviously a resident of Queens or Manhattan County or anywhere else, you gotta let them know as well. If you are a resident of somewhere else, let's say Queens, or if you live in Long Island, you're gonna send them proofs of identification. Obviously, I don't think so. If you live there, they're not gonna know, because let's say if you fill jury duty and you move to somewhere else, then most likely they're not gonna know. They're gonna send the jury duty questionnaire, whatever address they have in the database, and that's where it's gonna go. Are you at least 18 years of age or older? Have you been convicted of a felony? And have you ever served as a juror in court in New York State or federal court in the last 6 years? So these are the questions. So don't get intimidated. So if you think that you served jury in another state, you don't have to do double jury duty unless you really want to. So keep in mind there's certain things you can do. Let's say if you have a child care issue, you have a child. If for fathers and mothers, I think you're allowed up to, like, if the child is up to 4 years old, you don't have to go to jury duty as long as you send them the signature. Law enforcement, I know some of the law enforcement officers are exempted, and depending on where you are, depending on the case, because most likely the case that they might be going to, it might be relative to them. So keep in mind it's very, very, iffy when it comes to this type of issue. But once you fill it out, you send it to them. As long as you qualify, they'll do it. If so, and they'll send you an official letter. So this one is basically what they send you. So if you fill this out, they will automatically send you the official one. And somehow, let's say if you get this misplaced or you didn't receive it, it's not a big deal. You don't really have to do anything. Let's say if you end up not receiving it and you get the official one, but you could always, the official one is the official one. You have to go there and you have to let them know, listen, I just got this letter for some reason, I never got a questionnaire. Whatever the case is, you could file an extension for up to like a year. So keep in mind with that part. With that said, again, you could always contact them by mail, by phone, or by email, whatever it is. They will be glad to help you out. With that said, thank you again, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other questions, comment, concern, please comment, like, subscribe. I'll try my best on my part to help you out as much as I can. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.